We are at the Knesset building next to an exhibit set up by the Israel Antiquities Authority together with the Knesset. The exhibition has been given a place of honor. It is displayed in the main lobby, and most visitors to the Knesset are exposed to it. Visitors embark on a journey following the sages of the Sanhedrin from Jerusalem. There they were active for hundreds of years until they moved to Yavne and the Galilee, and in this way visitors are also exposed to amazing findings, some of which are being displayed here for the first time. We have findings from Beit Shearim, from Shefa Amr, and from the Lavi.
The Israel Antiquities Authority is conducting archaeological excavations here in the Lavi forest in cooperation with the Jewish National Fund. We found a relatively large vessel called a qalal.
This is a fragment of a qalal. A qalal is a stone vessel from a period when there was greater observance of the laws of purity and impurity.
Stone vessels of this type are characteristic of the Second Temple period and of Jewish settlements. We have a collection of everyday pottery vessels from Sepphoris, which were actually produced in Jewish workshops in the Galilee. And from there we also have a special find, a door from a Jewish burial cave decorated with a menorah. It is an honor for us to have been given this very prestigious stage to actually present an archaeological exhibition. The exhibition reminds us that we are part of something much greater, part of a chain of generations that begins with the return to Zion and continues up to our own time.